Hello there, my name is Jonathan Hickman. We all like our personal space, but is it possible that our individual personal space, our hula hoop of personal space, is somehow corresponding with our gender? Henley, a psychologist in 1977, believed that this was so. He stated that interactions that include proxemics are apparently under the control of the person most powerful taking part in the conversation. Now, when he says apparently, obviously it means that he observed this. He also states that men are typically at a higher status just by nature. He says this because we are more dominant in our space, we're more likely to have more quality space, and we're more likely to encroach other people's personal space more flamboyantly and more frequently. We can kind of see this just by looking around us at what each other are wearing, for instance. For instance, I am wearing baggy pants and a little bit of a bigger shirt. It's not exactly skin tight. I would say this because I'm a guy. A woman, on the other hand, if you were to look around, you might see a woman, would wear clothes that would be more skin tight and therefore will take up less space. Also, if we were in a public setting, a woman who sat down might cross her legs, once again, taking up less space. Where a man might spread his legs and become more expansive as he sits, to show his masculinity and show that he is the king of his territory that he is in at that moment. Now, the people who wrote my article believed that Henley was true and hypothesized, in fact, in their test, that it would be proven true. What they did to test this theory was they put 4 people outside of a hospital handing out questionnaires. Now, these people that decided that they wanted to take part in the questionnaire, once they got into the hospital, were taken into a room where they were faced with a problem where they saw a man, a woman, a man, and another woman. They were given free rein to talk to whoever they wanted about the questionnaire and encroach them as much as they would like. There was no desk. They just simply walked up to them, and there were people there pretending to take the survey that were recording the results. Now, the results were actually quite interesting because what actually ended up happening was not at all what they had hypothesized. What ended up happening was males mostly approached other males at 6 inches. Females approached males mostly at 6 inches. Males approached females more likely at 12 inches. And females approached males at 12 inches also. Basically, what this says to us is it took their hypothesis and flipped it around. In fact, what happened was females approached males closer than they did females, and actually, as another observation, were prone to actually wait in line to go to the male instead of an unoccupied female waiting to serve somebody else. So, in conclusion, it is quite apparent from this particular study that females are actually less likely to be approached and actually may not take up more space, but other people are more comfortable talking to male. I hope you found this as interesting as I did. Thank you.